Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create stunning 3D social media posts in Canva in just a few simple steps and in under 3 minutes. To start, grab a screenshot of a Facebook comment to use as the base for this effect. Make sure to use the white version rather than the dark mode appearance, since most users prefer the light theme. Next, select a high-quality background that complements your design. For this tutorial, I'm going with a blurry, well-lit kitchen to add warmth and realism. Simply head to the Elements Photos section in Canva and search for Kitchen Background. Once you find the perfect image, place it behind your Facebook comment screenshot. Now, let's bring in a transparent PNG image of coffee being poured. Choose an image where the coffee flows smoothly, ideally one with a nice, wavy motion as it jumps out of the mug. This will add a realistic and engaging touch to our design. Here's where the real magic happens. Select the coffee pouring image, then navigate to Canva's AI tools and choose Magic Grab. Use the brush tool to carefully select the coffee liquid as it flows from the coffee maker into the mug. Let Canva process the selection. It will isolate the coffee liquid, making it appear separate from the rest of the image. Once the coffee liquid is isolated, it's time to arrange the layers for a true 3D effect. Right-click on the Facebook comment screenshot, select Layer, and choose Show Layers. Position the grabbed coffee element behind the comment screenshot to create depth. Finally, place the main coffee maker on top of all layers to complete the illusion. And there you have it, a realistic 3D social media post that grabs attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, let us know in the comments what other Canva techniques you'd love to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Happy designing!